Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum indeed working very nicely, very bullish as well. In the previous video I gave you a target for the yellow wave 3 that was, I believe, at that $17.86 level. Yeah, or it was actually 2 videos ago, gave you that level. In the last video we had already reached here the 1778 level, not quite 1786. So at the time I told you, yeah, it could be wave 3 is finished, but no guarantee, and indeed we pumped a bit higher. That was then, however, the completion of the wave 3 in my opinion here in yellow. We when we were then here around 1810, I told the channel members on Telegram in the Signals channel and everybody who's following my charts on TradingView, which I do for the channel members as well, that we'll probably come down now into this green area here, and you can see how relevant that was. We have come back and retraced in what I believe at the moment at least is a wave 4. Yeah? So that's obviously, I can't always do a video with every move, and therefore the offer for channel members to follow my TradingView charts, and I think that is great. So my view was then to come down, which we did, yeah, in a wave 4, and we are now still in this green area here. Now this is the area between the where are we? Between the 23.6% FIB level and the 50% FIB level, between 1788 and 1755. That is the area where we would expect a wave 4 to get into. Not lower than the 50% FIB level ideally. Yeah? Not lower than that. If we do, it's probably not a wave 4 anymore. A wave 4 should not go. Oh dear, dogs again outside. Close the window here. 50%, the wave 4 should not retrace more than 50%. It's very rare that a wave 4 indeed retraces more than that retracement level. That means if we go lower, we might even just consider that a wave 2, so that you have another 1-2 set up, another 1-2. Even though it doesn't, even though the wave 4 will really only strictly get invalidated should we go into the price wave 1 price range here at 1728. But then we are already nearly at the 78.6% FIB level for wave 4, too much. Okay, so we are then now waiting actually for that wave 3 to play out. Yeah, so the move from that low here at around 16, well actually from down here, from 1670, it doesn't yet look like a complete 5-wave structure in itself. Yeah, so we've got obviously here the higher level wave 3 in pink. That will be completed by the wave 5 in yellow, because even here the wave 3, the higher level or the higher degree wave, consists of 5 waves. Yeah, that we see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the 5th wave is missing. It doesn't yet really look like a 5-wave structure. So my view is that the market should unfold or continue to unfold here the 5th wave. That's what my primary expectation would be. The ideal scenario to complete and carry on here with a bullish scenario would be to turn around above 1755 and then continue in that wave 5 to the upside. And let's take a look at the the target here for the pink wave 3. Can take a look at that as well. So that would be just above the yellow wave 3. The ideal target would be 1822. Okay, 1822. That's the 1.618. However, it can also push higher without a problem. Yeah. Another way to calculate the target for that wave 3 or the end of wave 5 basically is to take the length of the yellow wave 1 and to add it to the low of the wave 4. Now that assumes currently that wave 4 is finished. And one target for that would be the 1-to-1 ratio. That's $815. Now that's even below the wave 3. So that's not too exciting. Or the 1.618 extension here is 1850. Okay, so we need to be a little bit open here. After this wave 3 is finished, we should see a wave 4 in pink. So you know what all of that suggests? It suggests that we continue to climb higher in this scenario with only shallow retracements. And as soon as we have finished here wave 5 in pink, do you know what happens then? Then we should have completed wave 3 in blue. Then there will be a wave 4 in blue and a wave 5 in blue that will only complete wave 3 in yellow, and so on. And so we climb higher, yeah. And that is why, and hopefully that gives you a good picture, that is why a series of 1-2 setups is so bullish, because they all need their individual wave 3s and 4s and so on, and it just cascades higher. Okay. Yeah, and obviously all these targets for these waves will then also be much more extended. This is a wave 2 down here, by the way. So yeah, this is how we currently look at the moment. As long as we hold here, especially the 1670 level, that's sort of the next really meaningful low. As long as short term here 1691, very short term actually 1755 as I said, but then 1690 basically, yeah, and 1670. As long as we hold these levels, we can focus short term on bullish. If we go down lower, I think we need to hold that 1560 level. I mentioned it in the previous video. If we go below 1560, then it is very likely that we are head here into this green area. Now the target for that might move now a little bit. This would be, just realizing I'm actually on the 15-minute chart, a bit ridiculous. But this green area here would then be the reversal area for a larger wave 2. This could be finished. So the move up here, even though I suggest or expect further rising prices here, this could theoretically now be finished at any time, as we broke even higher above the 1785 level. But I'm still focusing on higher at the moment, as long as we're holding these lows, and then we would get into this area here. Currently still sitting between 1230 and 1440, but I think this will go up if we also go up now, because then the Fibonacci retracements for the wave 2 retracement, they will go up as well. Now that's the alternative scenario, that we are now moving down straight away into this area, and from here we will then start the rally. So they are both bullish scenarios. Had a few questions, I missed the boat, what do I do? Well, a few things to say to that. First of all, we are still super early in the crypto space. We've just come from a massive correction, yeah, and Ethereum is still at a very good price in my opinion. Anybody who's doing short-term trading, however, should be aware that we can definitely very soon here dip into this area and then move up again. What else to say? And then, I mean, I'm not telling you what to do, but I can only tell you that Ethereum already did perform here quite well. It already rallied roughly over 100%. Yeah, there are coins that haven't rallied yet. So if you say you missed the boat with Ethereum, well, there are lots of other coins out there that haven't rallied yet. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. Just saving, no, it's already saved here for the, again, and all these updates that I make here, you can actually watch live if you just have access to the shared charts when you become a channel member. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, maybe check out the channel membership, and also follow us please on Instagram and Twitter, and you can find the links to that in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.